Barbecues throughout the world are often associated with leisure and celebration, whether it's a holiday, a weekend gathering, or simply a beautiful summer day. The relaxed atmosphere of a barbecue allows people to unwind, enjoy delicious food, and spend quality time with friends and family. But what exactly is barbecue, and where did it originate? The origins of this type of cooking are somewhat debated and varied, as different cultures have had their own traditions of slow cooking meat over fire. However, the roots of what we now commonly refer to as barbecue can be traced back to the indigenous peoples of the Caribbean, specifically the Taino. After Columbus landed in the Americas in 1492, the Spaniards apparently found the Taino roasting meat over a grill consisting of a wooden framework resting on sticks above a fire. The flames and smoke would rise and envelop the meat. Spaniards called the framework a barbacoa. Etymologists believe this to be derived from barabicu, found in the language of the Taino people. The Taino people who inhabited the Caribbean islands before the arrival of Europeans had various methods of cooking their foods. Some of the techniques they used included boiling, roasting, grilling, baking, and smoking. These cooking methods allowed the Taino to prepare a variety of dishes using the resources available to them in their environment, including seafood, game meats, fruits, vegetables, and grains. However, it was the cooking of the meats that caught the eyes and taste buds of the new arrivals to the Caribbean. Over time, the Spanish and other Europeans found the Taino way of cooking meats appealing for several reasons. Flavor. Barbecuing imparts a unique smoky flavor to the meat due to the slow cooking process over low heat with wood smoke. This adds depth and richness to the taste that many people find appealing. Tenderization. The low and slow cooking process of barbecuing helps to break down tough connective tissues and meats, resulting in tender, juicy meat that easily falls off the bone. Versatility. Barbecuing is versatile and can be used to cook a wide variety of meats, including beef, chicken, fish, and even vegetables. It allows for creativity in seasoning and marinades, accommodating different tastes and preferences. Healthier cooking. Compared to other cooking methods like frying, barbecuing requires little to no additional fats or oils, making it a healthier option for preparing meats. Excess fat drips away during the cooking process, resulting in leaner, less greasy meat. The Spanish and other Europeans adopted these indigenous cooking techniques. Over time, these methods evolved and spread throughout the continent, with variations emerging based on regional ingredients, cultural influences, and cooking practices. Today, barbecue has become deeply ingrained in various cultures across the United States and around the world, with distinct regional styles such as Texas barbecue, Carolina barbecue, Kansas City barbecue, and much more, each with its own unique flavors, sauces, and cooking techniques. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Help us to spread this video by sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos.